The following video is made for educational purposes only. Everything you see is just an educational example. It does not constitute financial advice. Results may vary for you. Let me guess, you've traded a few meme coins, watched some pump and dump, and now you're wondering if there's a smarter way to play the game. Good news, there is. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of launching meme coins yourself so you can stop gambling and start making your own projects. Here's the mindset shift you need. Don't trade meme coins, create them. Now I know pump fun is the go-to for a lot of people, but let's be real. It's way too packed. If you want real results, you've got to look beyond the obvious. Let me introduce you to the grown-up version of meme coin launches, Radium. We're talking better project quality, healthier trading volume, and most importantly, actual room to breathe compared to pump fun's insanity. The proof? Where pump fun vomits up hundreds of tokens every minute, Radium maintains a sane 5 to 10 launches in that same window. That's where real opportunity exists. Alright, let's get into the good stuff. How to actually launch on Radium. After testing different methods, I found the absolute easiest solution, launchtool.io. Normally you'd need coding skills and a ton of technical knowledge to launch here, but this tool changes everything. We're talking about creating a coin in minutes, with just a few clicks. No complicated steps, no headaches. Sounds perfect? Great. Let's dive right in, and I'll show you exactly how it works. First things first, your logo needs to slap. This is your coin's first impression, so make it funny or eye-catching enough to trigger those impulse buys. My pro tip is riding the hype wave. Check what's trending on social media right now and put your spin on it. For this demo, I'm going with this cute fat Pikachu. I'm 100% sure it'll work. Just remember to save it at 128 by 128 pixels and you're golden. Logo's done and looking fresh. Time to make things official. Hit this button to connect your wallet. When the approval notification comes through, just sign it like normal. Alright, time to give our coin some personality. First section is all about the fundamentals. Name, symbol, and a cheeky description. I'm keeping mine light with the classic Pikachu is now a meme coin. Gets the point across with some humor. Upload your logo, double check everything looks good, and then click next to keep it going. Now we're at the tokenomics setup. The best part? You don't need to touch a thing. These values are already dialed in, so all you gotta do is click next to go to the next step. Now we've got this creator info section. Total waste of time if you ask me. They want to charge you 0.1 Sol just to slap your name on this? Hard pass. Even if it was free, I wouldn't bother. Just toggle that option off and keep your Sol in your pocket where it belongs. Here's where you can link your coin's social accounts. And yes, this feature is actually worth using. If you've prepared any social channels, now's the time to connect them. But for our purposes today, we're going to keep it bare bones and skip the social setup. We're really close to the official launch. Listen up. This step is absolutely crucial. We're dealing with Revoke authorities, your coin's security backbone. Here's the breakdown. Revoke freeze prevents your token from getting permanently frozen. Yes, that can actually happen. Revoke mint stops anyone from printing infinite supply. And Revoke update locks the contract, so no shady changes can be made post-launch. Smart investors will check these settings, and they'll walk away if anything looks fishy. The safe play? Keep all three enabled and hit that launch button with confidence. All that's left is confirming the transaction. Give it a few seconds to process and, congratulations, your meme coin is now officially live on Solana. But we're not done yet. Let's verify everything is working perfectly by checking our new token on SolScan. I'll walk you through it right now. There it is. SolScan doesn't lie. Your token is officially live and kicking on the blockchain. You can see all the juicy details here. Total supply, transaction history, the signature. But we're not done yet. The real magic happens in step 3. This is where things get really interesting. Here's where your token gets its market legs. Liquidity is the key that lets traders actually buy and sell your coin on Radium and appear in tools like Photon. Ready to make your coin truly alive? Then click on this button to add your liquidity. Alright, we're in Radium's website now. First move is connecting your wallet using that button up top. Now we need to tell Radium about your meme coin. So click on this button. Hop back to Launch Tool, grab your token address, and drop it in this field. Just add your basic token info, like you did before, and then click Add User Token. As you can see, there's your 1 billion supply. This is pretty simple. Just add 900 millions to the pool, since it's the standard for meme coins. Now we need a trading pair, and Solana is the obvious choice here. My strong recommendation? Go all in with your maximum Sol amount. And relax, this isn't locked funds. You can pull this sol back out anytime, regardless of how your coin performs. Quick math tip: deduct 0.2 sol from your total for Radium's pool creation fee before confirming. For fee tiers, I've always used 2% with perfect results. Some say 0.5% does the trick, but I can't personally vouch for it. Now the exciting part: click Initialize Liquidity Pool, approve the transaction, and congratulations. Your token is officially tradable. The dream is now reality. We did it! The token's live on Photon and ready for action. As we wait for those first juicy trades, let's not waste a second. Step 4 is where I'll show you how I read the charts for all my launches. It's the most comfortable method I know, so pay close attention. When it comes to tracking my launches, Dex Screener is my go-to dashboard. The interface is one of the best ones out there. Plus, it's way better for tutorials like this. Here's the trick: grab any random tokens page, then swap its address in the URL with yours from Launch Tool. This will give you instant access to your coin's complete analytics. Keep your eyes glued to that liquidity number. That's your success metric. And yeah, ignore those bot snipers. Annoying as mosquitoes at a barbecue, but just part of the game. Here's a pro tip: monitor your progress in Radium's Portfolio tab. This dashboard shows your positions, balances, and eventually, your profits ready for withdrawal. Just stay on the standard view and be patient. Your position should appear within 10 to 15 minutes. Blockchain isn't microwave fast, but good things come to those who wait. Check out this time-lapse of our launch performance. While the visuals speak for themselves, here are crucial tips for your own launches. Expect bot activity early on. It's unavoidable background noise. Focus on real volume from actual investors. Watch market cap and liquidity climb with genuine buys. Liquidity equals your profit pool. Monitor it like a hawk in your Radium portfolio. When the numbers look tasty enough, it's harvest time. Let me show you exactly how Radium's withdrawal process works. This is it, the moment we've been waiting for. Head over to your Radium portfolio and make sure you're on the standard tab. Find your LP position and click that minus button to start the withdrawal. Slide it all the way to 100%. Don't get distracted by the numbers at the top. The only one that matters is the Solana amount at the bottom. That's your real payout. When you're happy with it, hit remove liquidity and confirm the transaction. And just like that, mission accomplished. Before we wrap up, let me be crystal clear. This is purely educational content. There's the notification. Refresh your wallet and see the magic. I just made some juicy profits in what it felt like a breeze. Are we retiring today? Obviously not. But as a sneaky little income stream, works like a charm. Do this a couple times daily, and suddenly you're funding your coffee habit in pure profit. Not too shabby for a niche internet skill. Full transparency time. This is purely an educational demo. No sponsorships, no backroom deals with any platforms mentioned. Just showing what's possible in today's wild meme coin landscape. With that said, this loophole feels like one of those right place, right time opportunities. Nobody knows when the party ends, so if you're gonna dance, maybe don't wait for the last song.